L'écoutez.
It dey happen here. Now, so Fulani herdsmen don't go block on the road. I beg, share this video, make everybody see. And Fulani herdsmen don't block on the road. Travelers where they go Lagos today, stay on the road for good 28 hours, no movement. Why? Because Fulani herdsmen don't block the road. I beg, if Edo state government, Ondo state government, and Lagos state government no fit do anything, and Buhari, that one say we won't prefer cow pass human being. If una no fit do anything about this on the road, more na just call Eastern Security Network, make they help us. Nnamdi Kanu abeg, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu abeg, call your Eastern Security Network people, make they help us for this on the road matter. Because this Amotekun come be like say na mouth the day. Wetin be say just to carry Fulani herdsmen comot from Ore road na problem. Every day people, motorists and even those plying that road, they are not safe. It can't be like say if you just dey pass Ore road, you know they safe at all. Imagine Fulani herdsmen just block road for full day, no movement, and government no talk anything. Why? Because na them. As if we say the person where they in power now, na in agenda to make sure say we dey suffer for this country. Now make I know they talk anything. As we say na another group, now block that road. Therefore, soldiers for never go remove them. According to wetin we dey hear today, now where they block this on the road, we dey even hear say soldiers self they turn back, police they turn back. President Buhari, how long people go dey suffer? Road bad. People they try manage and to pass her now. Now your people don't block road. Fulani herdsmen now they don't block road. People now no fit follow road now. Go Lagos. Or the road now is blocked. I want to call on President Buhari. I want to call on Obaseki. I want to call on what be this guy name again for Delta State. Ifeanyi Okowa. I beg. Mona come to the rescue of the citizen. I beg. How will you feel say your person they travel for road, your mind go dey cut? Not be everybody go they use flight. As it be say now they use flight, now no concern una. Now make una be like say the thing no your concern una at all. See the motorists say they cry, nobody to rescue them for Fulani herdsmen hand. Are we saying that we don't have security in this country? It shows that the country is not safe at all. I beg Mona come help us. Eastern Security Network. Mona help us for the road. I beg. Because the government don't fail. The number one function of a government is protection of lives and properties. But now, reverse is the case. I believe na different groups say no be Fulani herdsmen. Say no be people who belongs to Buhari. And in fact, those people, therefore, don't remove all of them. Now, they tell say Nigerians are free to live anywhere, but Igbo man for not. They cancel, they spoil, they close their shop, scatter their beer parlor. Christians for not, now they scatter everywhere. Now they agree, may they stay, but now say anybody is free to live anywhere. Nobody say more no train cow, but I beg, what do they do for back of the cow? What do they do behind? They worst. Fulani herdsmen go just block road. They no go even care about how people want to move. And nobody is saying anything. It can't be like saying now on our plan, say we no longer they safe, and everybody don't agree now. The common man now when no get money to take flight now wahala. Now person go say may book appointment now. Take travel go Lagos from Benin now wahala, or the road don't block. Why? Because of Fulani herdsmen. Many of them have been kidnapped in numbers. This will not be today's start, but nobody they talk anything. If you they watch this video, share and let the government, let everybody know that enough is enough. We are tired. Fulani herdsmen will take God beg on now. I beg, more than allow our people pass road. We not get another road. Those say the road bad. I want to waka. More than free of the road for our mothers, for our fathers. I beg. We not say now get the country. Please. We not say now elder brother na country. More na carry. We dash na carry now. But I beg, more na leave the road. May we pass. This news just reached me now. People they tell me say Pastor James, I beg, help us talk. Now make me come beg. I beg. Because we cannot be living in a country and we are scared of survivor. Nobody, this country now don't they turn to survivor of the fittest. Even soldiers where go, they turn their back. But me believe say assuming say na another tribe they block road, so everywhere for them bust to boo boo. If you see the hear word, I beg. Tell your people make they come on road, make people pass, I beg. What did they stop for this country? Okay, so there's no more freedom of movement now. I know as they talk now, they say this boy don't do the talk. Say no freedom of speech. Now only Nigeria, my brother, in Nigeria there's freedom of speech. No freedom after speech. So that's why I mean now. Now beg at the beg. I know they use power for na wala ho na joke na play a day, but I beg na free the road at the fear now. I say na come on road make people pass at the fear now. Now the governor of those states self and Ifeanyi Okowa and on those states and the president now they even what do they do? So now don't prefer cow now pass human being because of Fulani herdsmen. What did they do now? I just stop to they eat beef because I they beef them. Come on, this thing for mine, no man is God.